If you're serious about woodworking, nothing beats the satisfaction of turning rough lumber into perfectly smooth boards. Today, we're reviewing the DEWALT DW735X 13-inch thickness planer, one of the most popular portable planers on the market. It features a 15-amp motor, 20,000 RPM cutterhead speed, 3 knife cutting system, and 2 speed feed rates designed for both fast material removal and premium surface finishes. But is it still the best portable thickness planer you can buy in 2026? Let's find out. The DEWALT DW735X is built for professional woodworkers, cabinet makers, furniture builders, contractors, and serious DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're milling rough hardwood, resurfacing reclaimed lumber, or preparing boards for fine woodworking projects, this planer is designed to deliver consistent thickness with smooth finishes. Its combination of power, precision, and durability has made it one of the most trusted portable planers available. Let's start with the heart of the machine. The DW735X uses a powerful 15-amp motor capable of spinning the cutterhead at 20,000 RPM, allowing it to handle hardwoods and demanding woodworking projects with ease. Its 3-knife cutterhead produces cleaner cuts than many 2-knife systems while extending blade life because each blade removes less material per pass. The 13-inch planing capacity accommodates a wide variety of lumber sizes, making it suitable for everything from furniture parts to large woodworking panels. One of the standout features is the 2-speed gearbox. The faster feed rate is ideal for quickly removing material, while the slower setting creates a finer finish for precision woodworking. The planer also includes an excellent chip ejection system with a powerful internal blower that helps remove wood chips effectively, reducing cleanup issues during operation. The package includes extra planer knives and infeed and outfeed tables, providing additional value while improving support for longer boards. The sturdy construction helps minimize vibration, contributing to more accurate results. In real-world woodworking, the DW735X performs exceptionally well. The powerful motor maintains consistent cutting performance even when working with dense hardwood species. Surface quality is excellent, especially when using the slower feed rate for finish passes. The 3-knife cutterhead leaves boards smooth enough for many projects with minimal sanding afterward. The chip collection system performs extremely well, helping maintain cleaner workspaces compared to many competing portable planers. Whether you're running a professional woodworking shop or building furniture at home, this planer delivers reliable, repeatable performance. So, is the DEWALT DW735X thickness planer worth buying? If you're looking for one of the best portable thickness planers available today, absolutely. Its combination of a 15-amp motor, 20,000 RPM cutterhead, 3-knife cutting system, 2 speed feed rates, excellent chip ejection, and DEWALT's proven reliability makes it a favorite among professionals and serious hobbyists alike. While it's more expensive than entry-level planers, the superior finish quality, cutting performance, and long-term durability make it an investment that can easily pay for itself over years of woodworking. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of woodworking tools, power equipment, shop machines, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.